empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself.
Hi guys, so I've already done this side, so I'm going to show you how I did this on this side. So first I'm going to take my, of course I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer, and I'm using this one from Essence. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So guys, I'm going to take this color right here, and this is Revolution PRD HD amplified 35 palette. That's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to take the color that I've shown you, and I'm going to take my blending brush, and I'm going to use that one as my transition color. I'm going to place it right there as my transition color. Silver Glitter Show from Essence, and it was a Christmas edition if I'm not wrong. And I'm going to take this brown here. I'm going to take this brown color, and I'm going to put this one on my crease to darken my crease. And I'm going to take another blending brush, and I'm just going to place it right there. So guys, I'm going to take my concealer. I'm going to take my concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to do my best to cut my crease. As you can see, this side, like I've done this side. So I'm going to cut my crease. I need to buy a brush that this one works perfect, but I'm struggling. I need to buy a perfect cut crease brush. So I'm just going to place, just like that, I'm going to place my concealer, and then I'm going to, and then as you can see, this here is the perfect crease of mine. So I'm going to cut it from here. You can see. See where the other crease is, almost at the end. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a loose eyeshadow. I think I need to just be patient, don't rush things. If you want a perfect result, just be patient. So I'm going to take shoop, 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 shoop. I'm going to take a small brush because this loose powder is in here. So I take a very small brush and I'm going to take this shadow and I'm going to place it right there where I've cut my crease. I don't even know the name of this. Oh, it's NY. So guys, I've put that one. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take yeah, I'm going to take my Essence eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Essence and I'm going to take this black color, and I'm going to darken my crease because I forget I have to darken first and then I cut the crease so we can get the perfect crease just like the other side. So I use a small brush on the crease here at the end of the, just to give it that dark, to darken it a little bit because I'm not going to use just feel like it should be a little bit dark. So I'm going to take the other brush and I'm going to take the brown one and I'm just going to blend those two so we have a soft transition like this side and cut the crease too. So guys, I'm gonna show you. So I'm taking my glitter just a little bit, don't put so too much, just a little bit, and then you put it all over your lid because I don't want it to be too much glitter. I just want it to be here and there, like just a little bit, not so much. So after putting that glitter, I'm just going to take a little glitter and the top and put just a little bit of glitter on it, that one, that's just like that. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to place my glitter just right there. I hope you guys are seeing it. Creamy now. So guys, as you can see, that is my, so let me remove this one so you can see. That is how I do my simple cut crease. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to put my, so I'm going ahead and I'm going to put my liner and I'm going to put my lashes, and then I'll come back and show you the whole face. I'm going to do my whole face, then I come back. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Please, again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the bell also, so every time I upload a new video you get a notification that I have a new video on this channel. And yeah guys, thank you very much and have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on my next video. Be blessed, be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place. And mwah, bye guys.